Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. We're on some structural repair here at a duplex. We're about midway through the project. I like to take before, during, and after videos. Originally, these posts here were on these pads and they were all kinked over real bad because this beam had started to move. It didn't have any beam pockets for the beam to go into the foundation. So I fabricated up some steel brackets. We got those anchored in nice. They're sandwiched in there. And they're like that. That way when there's not a beam pocket into the foundation, which I don't know why it didn't get one. It just left this beam to be able to shift as it wanted to. So now that we got our temporary supports up, the original supports leveled out, got the beam in place, we can go ahead and install some permanent adjustable support posts. It's Jade Alpine, little crawl space structural project. You can follow along at www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch close to 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next one.